I've got some BMW news for you guys. My name's Denver. I'm a client advisor here at Parkview BMW in Toronto, Canada. Today, I'm gonna walk you guys through the retail ordering guide on the 2023 X4. We've got the new curved display screen as well as a price increase. I'm gonna walk you guys through the slides so you guys know what all the prices are if you're located in Canada.
So BMW Canada was nice enough to provide a planning bulletin that's highlighting the differences. So first off, $1,400 price increase from 2022 to 2023. Premium Essential Package on the 30i did receive a $50 increase, and they just changed some coding around. So now you no longer have 488 for lumbar support and then 48Z for removal passenger side lumbar support. They're just now calling it 487 driver's lumbar support, but it's the exact same. Galvanic controls did get moved from the enhanced package, is now part of that essential package. Now the enhanced package didn't change any price point. The driver's lumbar support is pretty much the only difference, just that coding of the names there. Standalone options, they did change 490 to 491. It basically means the exact same thing. Carbon fiber trim is now available on the X4 30i, so that's new. Previously, last year, it was only available on the M40i. Galvanic controls are no longer a standalone option because they're put both inside the essential and the enhanced package. As far as interior goes, Vernasc leather on the inside got a $400 increase, and merino leather received a price increase of $1,250. Now to hop into the actual retail ordering guide. So if you guys are new, this is your first time viewing this, I'm just going to go through it so you guys know exactly what you're looking for and how to spec out your X4, because I have already highlighted all the differences between 2022 and 2023. Now on the first page, the main thing to know, started production is August of 2022. So if your car started production of August 2022, it's going to be a 2023 model year. Now, on the next slide, just for our base MSRPs, the X4 comes in just under $58,000. The X4 M40i 6-cylinder is just over $72,000. You have no charge Alpine White and Jet Black. Once you go with an M Sport package, you can't get Jet Black. That's why on the M40, Jet Black doesn't have that X mark there. You just want to pay attention to what category of the engine variant you're looking at and where these X marks are and what are some codes under them. So we get into the metallic paints. Most of them are $895, and then you'll see right underneath carbon black metallic 416 requires ordering ZD8. Now this will happen a lot over the ordering guides. That code is for M Sport package. So carbon black can only be ordered with an M Sport package vehicle. And then you'll see something where mineral white cannot be ordered with ZD8. So mineral white cannot be ordered with an M Sport package. That's why you won't see that as an option on the M40i, since that's standard on the M40i. Then there's some increased metallic paints for Tanzanite and Aventurin Red are both $1,450. Moving on, then you get to select from your interior. So the X4 does offer 4 no-charge interior options. These are all going to be Sensitech, the synthetic leather. So Canberra Beige, Decor Red, Cognac, and Black. Then you go up into Vernasca leather. Vernasca leather will also have some codes, so some of them can be only ordered with M Sport package, like the black Vernasca leather with red or blue contrast stitching. That does require M Sport package to order it. You can also get Cognac as a Vernasca leather, just like you can get in Sensitech. Mocha is a darker brown. That one's only available when you go into the Vernasca leather, and the only interior beige option is going to be the Sensitech, but you do have Oyster. Oyster is more in line with a white interior. Then you have your merino leather, Fiona Red and Black, and Tartuffe. Tartuffe is a medium dark brown, halfway in between Cognac and Mocha. So once you have your paint options, you have your leather options, now we start to get into the additional options on top of standard features. Now the first package is BMW's Premium Essential Package. Pretty similar between the 30i and the M40i. You have comfort access, driver's lumbar support, galvanic controls, ambient lighting, and head-up display. You'll also see that on the 30i, there is a restriction code for removal of head-up display. So currently, cars being built to the factory are going to give you a $900 credit if you order the Essential Package because you are not getting the head-up display. But if you got the M40, the premium engine variant, BMW is reserving what little allocations they have for head-up display for those premium engine variants. And then you'll see a bunch of codes underneath. Certain things require certain things, like one of them at the very bottom, in combination with 4FH, increases the price by $100 of the Premium Essential Package. As we get farther into the ordering guide, you'll discover that 4FH is actually ventilated seat options. And then ventilated seat options does require Vernasca leather, but we'll get into that in a little bit. Next package is Premium Enhanced Package. It's going to include everything from that Essential Package, and then we're also going to include some additional items. The storage compartment package, Sensitech dashboard, the parking assistant plus with surround view, so that's our 360 parking camera with self-parking feature, Harman Kardon sound system, BMW driver recorder, that's going to take the 360 parking cameras and give you 20 seconds before and after an accident, and then there's also some more codes for that. Now, M Sport package is a $3,250 option. It's going to transform the look of the vehicle. This is everything that's in this package is standard on the M40i, so that's why you don't see it showing up on that second right half of the column. Now, in this, you're going to get wheels, you're going to get brakes, you're going to get bumpers, You're going to get the M steering wheel and the M aerodynamic package, and as well as the high gloss black window surround. And then we get into the packages for the M40i. So premium enhanced package is that first tier package on the M40i, and then you get into advanced driver assistance package. Now, normally the advanced driver assistance package was available with the 4-cylinder 30i option. Of course, due to microchip shortages and everything, they are restricting that to the premium engine variant on the M40. Then we start to get into the individual options. So outside of that package, maybe there's a few items that are inside that package. Now you can add on some additional items. Now there is wheels. We'll glaze over that because we'll come back to wheels farther on in the ordering guide. Certain things are only going to be available on the M40, like the M Sport differential. The universal garage door opener is $300 standalone add-on. If you do get restricted to the tailgate operating removal, they'll give you $100 credit for that. There's a lot of other standalone features. The M Sport brakes in red, high gloss black roof rail, shadowline headlights, 50-year emblems. Now you'll see the ventilated seats. So ventilated seats are only available with certain interior options. Looks like there's 2 interior options. So you take that code MAH47 and you go back up to the interior options. You see which one's available. That should just be black vernacular leather with contrast stitching and mocha interior, I believe, but I have to double check that. Then you have M seat belts, only available with the 6-cylinder option. Rear heated seats can be added on, but they do require merino leather or vernacular leather, so you can't be adding rear heated seats to Santec, just like you can't be asking ventilated front seats on the Santec. Then you get into different interior trim options: high gloss dark oak trim, brushed aluminum trim, ash open pore trunk wood trim. And then you also have carbon fiber trim or piano black trim. Then you have additional options: laser light headlights, wireless charging tray. Digital Cockpit Professional 6U3 should be different from 2022. This should be for augmented reality navigation. Last year it was for like the full digital gauge cluster. This year we're getting the curved display screen in iDrive 8. So I do believe that's going to mean the augmented reality navigation, but we'll have to wait and see because BMW hasn't clarified any more training on that. High gloss black exterior contents, that does require ordering M Sport package first. And then at the very bottom you have individual manufacturer frozen paintwork and individual manufacturer paintwork. So if you see some cool BMW colors that aren't on the ordering guide, this is how you get them. You pay $3,900, you can pretty much get any paint option that you want. Then we're going to get into the standard features. You'll notice 48 mild hybrid system technology, only available on the 6-cylinder. Most of the things available on the 4-cylinder are standard features on the 4-cylinder, or standard features on the 6-cylinder. So if you do want to review any of the standard features for the vehicle, just go ahead and pause this. I'm just going to continue on. If you do want to review any of the wheel options, because all these next slides are just going to be the different wheel options, the different tire choices you get, feel free to just pause each slide and review them before you move on to the end.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end and you appreciate this content, please smash the like button, as it does help me out, helps the channel grow. If you guys are in the Toronto marketplace and you're interested in ordering a 2023 X4, you're looking at a 6+ month wait time, but if you want to get in on that wait time, send me an email down below and I'll help you out with a proper quote to your desired spec and what the updated time is from the time that you watch this video. Thank you guys so much. Smash the like button and I'll see you on the next one.